I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to rotate or flip both an image and the underlying canvas using Affinity Studio from Canva. Step 1. Open the image you want to either rotate or flip in the Affinity Studio application on your computer. Step 2. Click Document in the row of options along the top of the screen to open a menu. To rotate your image, you can click either Rotate 90 degrees clockwise or Rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. Your image will be rotated immediately. Alternatively, if you want to flip your image, click to open the document menu again and then click either Flip Vertical or Flip Horizontal. Your image will be flipped immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.